If you're a freelancer or a business owner, then one important part of your life is getting as much deductions from your taxes as you possibly can. And with that comes the tedious job of tracking miles you've traveled for your business and traveling expenses, right? So in this video, we will look at some of the best free mileage trackers that you can use to automatically keep track of the miles you travel and also estimate how much your deductions will be for traveling. Now, if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and on this channel, I talk about making money, investing, and personal finance. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on notifications so you can see new videos that I post here. And I post videos here every single day on YouTube. So on this channel, we talk a lot about ways to make money, right? After making all that money, you have to pay taxes. Now, there are some deductions that you can make from your side business, your main business, or even your side hustles come tax season. Now, one of these is your mileage or traveling expenses. Now, mileage trackers aren't just for those who do Uber or Lyft, but just about anyone that has a business or has travel expenses or uses a vehicle for their business. Now, this way you can deduct the correct amount and squeeze as much as you can from your taxes, which could run up to be, well, thousands. Now guys, before we go any further in this video, I want to ask you this. What method do you currently use to track your miles and keep tabs of your traveling expenses or business traveling expenses? Are you still using a logbook or are you using a spreadsheet or an app? And even if you're using an app, I'm curious, how much are you spending on that app right now? Drop me a comment below so I can know. So if you tried tracking your miles before and cost of traveling for your business, what starts off as a very simple job, which you'll have to do each time you travel, can become a little hard to do after a while. Now, the main method here is to track your miles and expenses using a logbook and keep all your receipts in there. Now, the problem with this is that if you forget to do it one day, you could potentially lose out on some money. Unless you log everything as soon as you complete all your trips, things can get disorganized very quickly, and I know this from first-hand experience, right? Now, another downside to the logbook method is that the book can get damaged, the ink fades, the receipts fade even faster, and at the end of the year, you may have some trouble getting the information out this logbook. What's even worse is if you get audited 3 years later, only then to find that whatever you've logged has completely disappeared from the book as it has aged and the receipts are nothing but pieces of blank paper now. So the most popular way to combat this is to, of course, keep a digital copy of these records, but there's another problem here, right? It doesn't make your life any easier and it adds another couple of steps to your already busy schedule, and here we risk missing a day or a few days and then the whole process gets disorganized and complicated again. If you choose to go fully digital, you'll still have to log your traveling miles and scan receipts. So the easiest way I found to work around this is to use apps. Now with the apps, you still have to do something. You'll have to snap photos of receipts and give your trips labels or descriptions, so next year you'll remember what it was and why you were traveling, but it takes away the mileage tracking completely. By using your phone's GPS, you can simply have everything recorded all the time. So initially, I tried a couple of apps to see which ones would work for me, but they were all paid apps where I was doing trials, and I thought to myself, well, this should be free. So then I searched and I found a couple free ones that I've used, and I will share them with you guys as well as explain the features, drawbacks, or downsides of each. So here we go. Now, the first mileage tracking app I used was Hurdler. Now, it's a paid app, but they do offer a basic version of it, which just offers mileage tracking, expenses tracking, and income tax calculations. Now, the free version isn't fully automatic because you will still have to open the app and start the trip before you actually drive away. It then logs the miles and the route, and when you're done, you can reopen the app and mark the trip as completed. It then gives you a breakdown of what you've done and allows you to add expenses for the trip such as food or anything you may have purchased. So if you're doing traveling and you need an app that just records your mileage and routes and also allows you to add additional expenses to the trips, then this is a good choice, right? It is available on both Android and iPhones as well. The second app I tried using, and I've tried using another app because I wanted to find out if I could get more features or a fully automated app for free, just so you guys know. So the second one was Mile IQ. Now this was also another paid app but offered a free version. Now this app records all your trips and then you can simply say which ones are personal or which ones are for business. Now the free version offers you 40 trips per month, so if that's a feature you want and you won't be exceeding 40 trips per month, then you can go for it by all means. The next app I tried was called Mileage Expense Log. This one is only available in the iTunes Store and it is compatible with the Apple Watch. It will also automatically track all your trips, and it goes a step further by sorting everything by either dates, vehicles you have, and purpose of the trips. You are then able to export the information as CVS or an HTML file for further processing. The next app I tried using was Stride, and I'm still using this one. I've been using it now for about 2 years. Now this one is completely free, so no missing features. I really like this one because in addition to running in the background and tracking your miles and route, this app actually will generate an IRS ready report that you can just add to your taxes come tax season. Now it goes beyond the scope of just mileage tracking as well. You can track money spent on car cleaning, parking fees rather, tolls, food, and if you drive for Uber, Lyft, or something similar and you offer your clients snacks or water, then you can also track those with the Stride app. Now, I think you can track just about anything with this one. It is also available on iPhone and Android. So if you want an app that does it all for free, then this may be it. As I said before, this is the one I found to be the most useful, and it doesn't crash and it just keeps working, and also most importantly, guys, it costs me $0 every month, and so I'm very happy with it. So there you have it, guys. These apps will help you in tracking your miles and travel expenses without you having to manually record them ever again. Now, if there are any other free mileage trackers that you guys know about, comment them down below so we can take a look at them too. Now, one of these apps should surely help you track your miles so as to maximize your tax deductions in your business, save you some money, and also make you very happy at the same time because you'll be done with that old logbook. Actually, keep that old logbook for a few years just in case you get audited. I hope you guys really liked the information in this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post, and I post videos here every single day on YouTube. Now, if you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have, and be sure to drop a like on this video as it really helps with the channel and I'll greatly appreciate that. Also, be sure to share this video anywhere you think it may be able to help someone out, especially if they are gig workers or if they have a business and they have to travel a lot and they have travel expenses. Now guys, we still have that promotion at WEBULL, and I know I keep saying this, but I have to keep saying it until you guys are all investing. So here we go again. Remember, sign up with the link down below and you'll get 2 free stocks after depositing $100, and these 2 free stocks can be anything that can be valued at up to over $1,000, right? Now, if you already did this and you collected your 2 free stocks, drop me a comment down below and just let me know which stocks you got for free and if you were happy with the stocks you got for free. Now, in the event that you don't like the stocks you got, then you can always sell them, keep the money, or just buy some other stocks that you would prefer to invest in. Now, finally, guys, I have to also mention that the days of putting your money in bank accounts, we get 0% in interest, then you have to pay the account maintenance fees, then you have to pay the ATM fees, and then all other fees associated with accounts, right? So if you're still paying fees for your account and you're not getting any interest on your money at the bank, let's go ahead and change that right now. Now, I've left a link down below to SOFI Money. They offer a hybrid account, and this account, you pay no maintenance fees, there's no minimum balance, there's no ATM fees. If you ever pay ATM fees, they are reversed and you get interest on your money. Now, also importantly, if you use the link down below, you'll also get $75 for free just for signing up for the account, okay? So be sure to check that out, link down below in the description. Now, once again, guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Remember to like and share this video, and also more importantly, drop me a comment down below with your thoughts on this. Now guys, if you've already tried any of these apps, let me know how you like them. And if you're sticking with any one of them, just let me know which one you preferred and why you preferred to use it. Now, if you're a new subscriber or a viewer here on the channel, be sure to check out my other videos about high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, credit cards, investments, and of course, ways to make money. All the best with your business, guys, and until tomorrow, adios.